welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your English vocabulary, and that has been the English vocabulary. Here we have to discuss. This has been the 13th classes where we had done your 12th classes in the last sessions as well. So today we have to start with discussing about 535 question of the session. 534 we had done even though in the last classes as well. So here we're gonna start with, and before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share, and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. And same case for the English here that we are going to discuss here in terms of 535 question of the session, and the world we'll discuss here as well. So the question is for lynching. This is the first, and before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with subscribe, like, and share our videos so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. In case this, that is your lynching, that will be used as verb here. That is a word, and the meaning of this word we have is your of a group of people kill someone for an alleged offense without a legal trial with we have, which is bina muqaddama mar dalna, that has been the lynching here. We can use the word for the lynching here in terms of bina muqaddama har jana, mar dena. Okay, the sentence you can use for these words here is in the form of that the elaborate precautions that are taken to prevent the lynchings, that are peculiarity of the that your the constitutions of 1895 that we have here. On the same cases, we have your another word which we have your 536 word we have to discuss, of course. The word is your contour. Contour is a word that is being used as noun here, that the meaning of the contour is, and that as your an outline representing or abounding the shape or form of something, which is your rupa rekha, we can say in Hindi. And the sentence being used here, that the artist made sure to contour the lines on the painting to make the animal appear more real, that you can use for as forming our sentences, of course. We'll go ahead with another question that we have your 537th question of the session as well, which is quinolone. And in quinolone, but that is being used as noun here, and which is being an arithmetic derived from quinolone and used chiefly against the gram-negative organism as well, and that what we have to discuss, of course, and that is being the important one. The sentence that it can use here is in the form of that the original quinolone antibiotics that included the that halidixic acid and your cyanoxaxin and an oxalic acid as well. We'll go ahead for the next question we talk about. It is the 538 question of the session as well, which is being the formidable. Formidable is being used as adjective here. In the meaning of the formidable, we have here that is being the inspiring the fear or the respect through being unperceivably large, powerful, intense, and capable, which is your durjay. In the same case, the sentence that can use we have in the form of that is it is truly the formidable, that is rather to be rather like one of these fantastics of figureheads on the tall ship as well. We'll go ahead for the next word which we have as an important one, and of course we have to do it that as well. So that is being the suppress, and suppress, this has been used as verb here. In same case for the suppress here, that the present the development action and the expressions of a feeling, impulse, idea, etc., which is your restrain. In that you can say in Hindi it's your the bana. Let's go ahead for the next is your 540th word we have is your beset, that is being used as verb. In beset, that of a problem or difficulty which or trouble someone or something, that you're persistently, which is your gher lena, that they use as a word here as well. So on the same cases. Now we'll go ahead for the next word, we'll talk about it, and that is of course being the important one here, and which is on to the same phases. So we have another word which is your the 541th word, which is your afloat. In afloat, the meaning of the afloat is out of depth or difficulty, floating in water or not sinking, that is come under the afloat here. We'll talk about the another word which is 542th word we have is your subdued. In subdued, this has been the word's is adjective here. In subdued, the meaning of a subdued is your of a person or the manner or their manner, that is a quiet and rather reflective or depressed or restrained as well. We'll go ahead for the next word. We have your 543rd word. We have to discuss about it, which is being enhancing your vocabulary of English English words, and the vocabulary being enhanced, of course your communication skill, and then English speaking is also being enhanced as well. So we'll go ahead with another word which is being the 543rd word, which we have to discuss here as follows. In same case for the word we have, your 543rd word we have is your rein in. A rein in is used as a phrase verb, and in that the meaning is to limit or control someone or something, which is rokna. Kisi ko rokna. You can just tell me on this that rein in the word, you can use it even though the using the word stop or something. You can use the word rein in as well. In the same case, we have another word which is your 544th word we have to discuss about it, which is the word we have is your unprecedented. In unprecedented, this has been used as adjective here, which is the meaning of the unprecedented here is never done or knowledge known before. So you had never done or known before as well. That is your abhupurna in that way. The meaning is in Hindi, so that we talk about the sentence used here, which is being the arise in the number of expensive private fitness centers in Scotland has led to an unprecedented scrambles for customers as well. We'll go ahead for the next word we have here, which is being the 545 word we have to discuss about it, which is the word we have is your dearth. In the dearth word we have your, this is the word being used as noun here in the same cases for discuss about it. So on the same cases for the dearth that we talk about it, and that has been the scarcity or the lack of something, which is we can say the word that has been kami. किसी चीज की कमी होना, like we can say that doctor recommended that the you have your scarcity of water, आपके body में water की कमी है या blood की कमी है. So this is this you can use the word the scarcity. Of course the sentence is used that there is the serious disharmony among the clubs and the dearth of the quality players at the international level. Of course there the scarcity of the players that they can play in the internationally. So that we have here. Then the word we have your 546th word, which is being the drudgery. Drudgery is being used as noun, and the meaning of the drudgery is hard, mental, or a dull work, which is being the correct kathin parikshram as well. The sentence being used for this is your life sure is going to change for the stayers when they realize that all the ordinary people in the drudgery jobs will have a bailed out. Next, we'll go ahead for the next word which we have to discuss about it. Of course, that is 547th word we have. In that, insurgency. Insurgency, this has been used as noun here. So, an active revolution, uprisingly, which is your vidro. We can say that in Hindi, of course, that stands for the vidro here. The sentence is being used that the troops are driving through the back that your streets, making the raids on the suspected insurgency cells as well. That what we have to go ahead for the same. Now we'll go ahead for the next word which we have to talk about it, which is 548 word of the sessions. And that is of course be an important one because all these are important and that's what we even have to discuss about it. So let's go ahead for the further, and that has been the 548th word of the session as well. 548th word we have envoy. Envoy is being used as in a noun, so that the meaning of envoy is a messenger or a representative, especially one on the diplomatic mission, ambassador, which is your Raj Doot. In the same case for the sentence that you can use here, that the agreement that gives the UN special envoy that the formal power to break any political deadlock here. We'll go ahead with 549th word we'll have to discuss about it, which is being your latency. In latency, this is being used as noun, and the meaning of the latency we have here is that a series of prayers, politician, or that is invocation. The sentence is used that the latency continues for well over 300 pages, but there is little point in following it further as well. We'll go ahead with the 550th word. We have your assets that has been used as verb, and the meaning of that is to evaluate or estimate the nature, ability, or the quality of, that is your akatan here. Let's go ahead for the next word. We have your 551th word. We have to discuss about it, which has been the stagnant, and that has been used as adjective here. So that the meaning of that is you're showing no activity, dull or sluggish, which has been the thera hua. 552th word we have is your cloistered, which is being used as adjective, of course, and that is the meaning we have. So we'll go ahead for the same. So clustered, that has been used as adjective, and that meaning we having close by or having a clustered, that kept away from the outside world, which is being sheltered, and that name is your ekant here. 553rd word we have is your, that is skepticism. In skepticism, this is being used as noun, and that the meaning of this is doubt as the truth of something, which has been the sandehvad. Now we'll go ahead for the 554th word we have to discuss about it, which is your disbursal. Disbursal is being used as noun, and the meaning of the disbursal is that the act of spending or disbursing money. 555 word we have here, which has been the grand. In the grand, that has been used as adjective. For that, meaning we have is your magnificent and imposing in appearance, size or style, which has been the shandar here. We'll go ahead for the 556th word. We have your indigenization, which has been used as noun. The action or process of bringing something under the control, dominance or influence of the people native to an area, which is your Swadeshi current here. We'll go ahead with the next word, which will we have is your 557th word. We have to talk about it, which has been the contemporary. In the contemporary, that has been used as adjective here, and the meaning of that is living or occurring at the same time, which has been your Samakaleen. Sentence has been used is that contemporary dance is not blessed with a plethora of the media coverage on any platform that is being used for the contemporary as well. We'll go ahead with the next one, which is we have your 558th word of the session, and that's what we have to discuss about it. Let's go ahead for the same here. Same for that, we have your 558 word. We have your perpetrator. Perpetrator is being used as noun, and the meaning of the perpetrator is a person who that your carries out a harmful, illegal or immoral act, which is being apradi. The sentence is being used is it was a moonless night, and a perpetrator cut that the power, pitching the farmhouse into the total darkness as well. We have another word. We have the 559th word. We have inextricably. That has been used as adverb as first. The meaning of that is in a way that is impossible to disentangle or separate, which is your alhanganiye as well. We'll go ahead with another word, and that for the sentence that has been used for the extrinsically as well. The sentence has been used that he felt the good and the bad within himself, extrinsically mingled and overlapping as well. We'll talk about the 550th word, 60th word we have to talk about, that is being reboot. In reboot, that has been used as verb, and the meaning of the reboot is to claim or prove that evidence or an accusation is false, that is galat sabit karna. You can use the word here to be using the words wrong. You can use the word reboot here. The sentence being used is what does this reveals about this the stances of the fearless truth tellers, always prepared to reboot the lives of the corporate press as well. And then I will go ahead for the next. We have to talk about it, which has been the 561th word of the session as well, and that has been the clout. In the clout, that has been used as noun, of course, and that the meaning of the clout is your that influence or power, especially in a politics on a business, which has been the takat here. The sentence being used is your boasting about her how swimmingly this way going, and how much that your upstream, the upstreams that a cloud he has, and it entirely natural as well. We'll go ahead for the next word. We'll talk about it, which is 562th word, which we have used your hedge here. In the terms of the hedge here, that is being used as noun, and the meaning of the hedge is that a way of protecting the oneself against the financial loss or the other adverse circumstances. The sentence being used here, the hedge funds are pooled investment vehicles which aim to make the money for their investors regardless of whether shares rise or falls, of course. We'll go ahead for the next. We have here next few words that we end up with, of course, here in itself. 563rd word we have is your arbitrary, that is being used as adjective, and that the meaning of this is you of a power of ruling body and unrestrained, and that is autocratic in the use of the authority, which is mana. We'll talk about 564th question, words of session as well, that is befitting. In befitting, that is being used as adjective here, and in that the word we have is appropriate to the occasion or upyukt here. We'll go ahead for 565 words of the session, that is being the gallows. In gallows, this is being used as noun here in the gallows, and that the execute, that is being the meaning here we have is your the execution by hanging, or you can say that the fancy. So that is comes under in it. So here we're gonna end up with here itself, which has been the 565 word of the session as well. In the next coming class, we'll discuss about the 54th, that has been your the 14th question, the classes of the session. We'll start discussing about 566 throughout the world as well. Here we're gonna end up with, other than this of the English vocabulary, we had done your sociology and software engineering, and we had done your chemistry as well. In that we had done your unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, and unit 9, the conversions, the logarithms, elements with their symbols, with their atomic masses and the molar masses, of course. After talking about that, we are dealing with the CBRST. We had they are dealing with AR diagrams, of course, that has been important. We are had done your understanding the human being comprehensively, the human aspiration and its fulfillment with unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, with the 2 marks possible question, of course. After talking about that, yes, we had done many of the topics as well, and in the same cases we talk about, yes, we had done your quantitative aptitude. We are dealing with arithmetical ability. In arithmetical ability, we had done your operations on numbers, SCF and LCM of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, problems on numbers, pounds on ages, thirds and indices as well, and percentage, of course. And non-reasoning, we had done your verbal reasoning, where we had done your general mental ability and the logic reasoning. In non-verbal reasoning, we had done your series analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dice draw situation as well, figure formation analysis, and then practice question set as well. So here we're going to end up with, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. So thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you, and please go ahead with like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. And whatever the topics you have required of, you can just tell me in the comment section. We will surely be providing you that as well. Thank you.